welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. Today we are doing another character. This one I think is a fan favorite, or I'm hoping at the very least. Today we are doing Pua from Moana, so the little pig friend that Moana has. I think this is a really cute project, and if you liked making it with me, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow for more. And if you like any of the materials we're using, they're also linked down below. Okay, let's get started.
Perfect. So for Pua, we're going to start first with the bottom of the head. So we're going to do this nice big U shape for the bottom of our head here. And if I'm ever going too fast, feel free to pause the video, go at your own pace. Amazing. Then we're going to do the inside of the ears. So we're going to do this nice big curvy triangle. So we're going to do a curved line going up and then coming back down. So almost like a bit of a leaf shape. And this is at the very top of that U shape that we drew for the face. Then we're going to do the top of the hair here. So I just did like a rainbow shape with some zigzags at the top to create the hair. And then from the end of the hair, I did a curved line going up to the top of the ear there. And this is the outside of the ear. Beautiful. Then for the little mouth, I just drew a smiley face at the bottom of its face here. And then for the nose, I did kind of like a curved tail shape, just like that. And then two little dots for the nostrils. And then for the eyes, I just did a circle and then a circle for the pupil on the inside. So Pua has these very simple eyes. He just has the eyeballs and then the big pupils. Then I also drew the patch around one of its eyes here, so you can just draw that patch. Then I created a grass line, so I did some really curvy grass, so just some curvy zigzags, but you can just do straight grass if you want to. You can do grass however you would like. I just did some nice curvy grass. And then I did Pua's body here, so you can just do two curved lines coming down from its neck to the grass. Then I added the rest of Pua's spots, so I just did some different rainbows and dots along the ears and the hair and the body. You can add as many spots as you would like to. And now it's time to color it in. So I'm going to take this kind of dark pink color and color in the nose and the ears. If you like any of the markers we're using, we have them linked down below. They are fantastic. Perfect. And then we colored in the spots. So Pua has these really light gray spots. So I just took a light gray and colored those in. And then finally, I just finished everything off with the green for the grass. If you want to add any other details, you totally can. You can add some flowers, you can add a sky, you can add a sun, you can add some water because they live in Hawaii. On the islands, it's beautiful over there, so you can add whatever designs you would like. And I hope you guys enjoyed making this with me. If you have any recommendations for what other character designs you would like to do, please let me know in the comments down below. I hope you loved making this with me, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow for more. I'll see you guys next time.